Let me show you how you can link the Google Search Console account that you have to Google Analytics 4 so you can enable more reports in Google Analytics. So what most people don't know is that once they connect their Search Console property to Google Analytics, some reports would be enabled for the property and they would be available here under Tech or above it. Not really sure, my memory is not helping me that much here, but anyway, once we connect our Google search property to this GA4 property, we will see a new search console reports over here that we can use. So let's set up our Google search property, as I don't have actually for my demo website. So I'll just copy the website URL. I have it open right here. Hit save. Now it is prompting us with using a couple of methods. So what we can do is that use this method, which adding this snippet to our code base. So I already have this open. I'll just replace it with this one and hit save. So let's continue. Let's hit done. Click finish verification. Let's use the URL prefix one. Yeah, we should have clicked on the verify button, but I haven't. This usually takes some time, so let's wait a little bit. You can verify that this has been added by just right-clicking on the website and clicking new page source, and this will open a new page or new tab that contains the source code of your website. And we can see that the Google site verification code that we have just added is already in there, but sometimes it takes the tools like search, Google search, sometime to make sure or verify the installation method. So let's try again. This will not work for my demo website, as it is private and users need password to access it. For your case, if you just did installation step that I've just done, it would take 5 minutes maximum to verify the installation for the search console on your website. But for me, I wouldn't be able actually to complete these steps. So let me show you how the rest of the other stuff would look like. So in Google Analytics, after you verify the installation over here, or if you already have an existing search console, all what you need to do is go to the Google Analytics property that you have access to, and then go to the admin section. Under product links, you would see search console links. So you just need to click on this. And then you would need simply to click on this link icon, and all the search console properties that you have access to will appear. You'll have to select the property that you want to connect to this Google Analytics string or property. And then after doing that, go to the report section, hit library, bottom left, and then you will find a new section will populate over here for the search reports. So I prepared a snippet or a screenshot for account that I have access to where this is enabled. So as you can see, the search console reports are now visible in here, and you'll need just to click on these 3 dots if it's not published and click publish. After that, within the Google Analytics properties or Google Analytics reports, you would see the Search Console reporting over here, and it will have 2 reports, queries and Google Organic Search. The queries will have the queries that the user searched to enter your website. Any keywords that they used will be populating in here, and then you will get these matrices against each and every keyword. You also can access the Google Organic Search report as well, and in this report it will use by default the landing page and query string dimension against these the matrices, which is really helpful to have in Google Analytics instead of jumping between the Search Console and Google Analytics report to check the search reports. And yeah, this was Ahmed. If this is the first time you ever see me, I do a web analytics content that is weekly or bi-weekly here on YouTube and LinkedIn. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get notified for future content. I also have a private web analytics community that contains courses, support, and live courses that happens on bi-weekly basis. If you want to join this paid community, I'll leave the link to it in the description. You get 7 days free trial so you can explore and try everything before paying for it. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and see you soon. Have a great day.